In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mails using Sendgrid. We'll walk through the process of creating and sending a one-time email campaign, often called a single send. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to confidently launch an email to your audience. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click Marketing. This is where all of your campaign and contact tools live, and it's the starting point anytime you want to send a marketing email. Within the marketing area, you'll see an option called Single Sends. Click on Single Sends. This page shows all of your past and scheduled one-time campaigns. To create a new one, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Create Single Send. That opens up the setup flow for a brand new email. The first choice you'll make is the email template. Sendgrid gives you a few options here. You can choose one of their pre-built Sendgrid designs if you want something quick and polished. You can pick one of your own templates if you've already created and saved designs in the past. Or if you want full control and you're starting from scratch, you can select a blank template. Choose whatever best fits the email you're planning to send. After picking a template, select the design editor. This is Sendgrid's drag-and-drop editor that lets you visually build your email without writing code. It's the easiest way to control layout, text, images, and buttons. Before you dive too deep into the design, it's important to configure your settings. Switch to the Settings tab. Here, you'll fill out some key details that determine how your email is sent and who receives it. First, choose your From Sender. This must be a verified sender email in your Sendgrid account. Using a verified sender helps with deliverability and makes sure recipients recognize who the email is from. Next, enter your subject line. Aim for something clear and concise so people know exactly why they should open your message. Then, select your recipients by choosing the lists or segments you want to target. Lists are broader groups of contacts, while segments allow you to narrow down specific audiences based on criteria you've set up. With those basics in place, head back to the design area and build your email. Use the drag and drop tools to add text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing so the message looks consistent with your brand and easy to read. Keep your content focused on one main goal, whether that's getting clicks, sharing an announcement, or driving replies. When your email looks good and your settings are filled in, it's time to send. Click Review Details and Send. Here, double-check your sender, subject line, and recipient list. If everything looks correct, you can either launch it immediately or choose the schedule option to send it at a later date and time that works best for your audience. And that's the full process for sending emails using Sendgrid's Single Sends.